They make them, we cover them, you sell them. Welcome to a special edition of OEM Update here on the floor of AIMExpo 2026 in beautiful Anaheim, California. The biggest players in power sports have shown up in force this week, and we are going to tour all their booths and go ahead and see what's new for 2026. So let's check it out. Hey, we're here at AIMExpo at the KTM booth, back with Ryan Sarancha, product manager of KTM. You guys just unveiled this beautiful brand new bike yesterday. Can you tell us a bit more about it?
Yeah, absolutely. So we were very excited to be able to get it here to AIMExpo. This is the all-new KTM 1390 Super Adventure S EVO. And we've got a lot of new technology for KTM in this bike.
Awesome.
I'd say the most exciting thing is it is now equipped with the AMT automated manual transmission.
Okay.
First time for us and first time in this platform.
Yeah, okay, excellent. Yeah, go ahead and walk me through everything that's new, because this is updated and everything, so just take it away.
Sure. It's a great question. What's new on the bike? Everything is new on the bike. The bodywork is new, the frame, swing arm, everything has been gone through. But I'd say the highlight features, as I mentioned, the AMT, the automated manual transmission, which means we no longer have a clutch. We also have our latest generation of our semi-active technology suspension at the front of the bike. The engine has been gone through. We've added 50 cc to it, 13 more horsepower, so now it's 173 horsepower. Cam shift technology in there, so you have great low-end power and top-end power as well. We have our new 8-inch tablet, basically, Yeah, our TFT display. This is the gateway to all the electronics in the motorcycle. And basically now everything is customizable on the bike. Whether we're talking about the adaptive cruise control, the suspension, of course the AMT is adjustable, the ride modes. Whatever you want on the bike, you can fine-tune it, or you can just hop on it and ride it as is. So I mentioned we're putting out more power with the engine. That also meant that we beefed up the frame a little bit. So in every direction, we added just a little bit more rigidity. That's going to give you better stability, and of course, cornering characteristics are improved, but it handles that increase in power. And then to slow everything down, we've also updated the braking system. Brembo brakes, front and rear. We have new calipers in the front. So again, class-leading Brembo brakes, but something new on the new bike.
So are there any, extra trim levels or versions to this bike?
Yeah, absolutely. So this is the S EVO. We also have this available in the R model, 1390 Super Adventure R, which is the more off-road focused.
Okay.
Right. So this has a street focus. That's 19-inch front, 17-inch rear. On the R model, 21-inch front, 18-inch rear. And instead of the semi-active technology suspension, it's Explore suspension, front and rear. So for some really aggressive off-road riding, 240 millimeter travel suspension. Also, the R model is not the AMT bike. It's still conventional with a clutch. Okay. So if you wanted the AMT, that's the S EVO.
Yeah, I noticed this is a 2027 model. When you said we were lucky to get it here in the States to show, when can we expect this to, roll off the line and come into dealerships?
So these will be going into production in Mattighofen, Austria in February, and following March, they'll be here in our dealerships.
Wow,
so
super
soon.
fast,
Yeah,
awesome.
Soon.
Great to hear. What kind of accessories can we expect for this one?
Well, in our technical accessories lineup, we've got pretty much everything that you could want in terms of seat, luggage. It's kind of an endless list to customize your motorcycle.
Right.
So yeah, you can check all that out on our website.
Okay, perfect. Well, thank you so much today, Ryan, for taking the time to talk with us.
Absolutely.
All right, so we were on the KTM side, but now we have traveled across the aisle to Husqvarna here. Ryan, can you tell us what we're looking at here?
Yes, so this is the 2026 FC450 Factory Edition.
Okay.
We have this in two versions. There's a 250 Factory Edition as well.
Right.
But this is basically as close as you're going to get to the race bikes that Malcolm Stewart and RJ Hampshire compete on. And it's available for consumers at your local dealer.
Okay.
With quite a lot of the same spec and features that you'll compete in Supercross and Motocross with at the highest level of racing.
All right, can you tell us about some of those spec and features here?
Yeah, I'll start at the fork. It's the cone valve technology in this fork. It's basically nearly unlimited damping control and adjustment, so you can fine tune it for the rider. I mean, plus the fact that just the build quality is second to none on it. But you can set this up for Supercross, you can set this for motocross. You can make the fork so comfortable that a vet rider would enjoy riding it at a vet track. So it's the massive range of adjustability, plus the fact that the holdup on it is incredible while still having comfort, which is really hard to achieve. And a lot of that is due to the internals and the cone valve. And at the rear, the Trax technology that we have, it keeps the rear wheel planted to the ground going through braking bumps or whatever it is that you're riding through, you need that rear wheel always digging into the soil, and that's what that rear shock is designed to do. I mean, some of the things are just super cool to have on the bike, like the recluse clutch cover, some of the carbon fiber protective pieces. But in terms of real function and performance, FMF titanium exhaust, CNC machine triple clamps, our factory wheel set, factory start, a floating front disc for better braking performance. So all that stuff. But what I'm really excited about for 2026, for the first time ever for us, we put our WP Pro Component suspension on the front and the rear of this motorcycle. And this is pro level, right? This is the performance that you would get to compete, again, in factory racing. It's a $6,000 suspension kit, front and rear.
Wow.
And we've added it to the bike for $1,000 more at MSRP.
Wow, okay. And so is this already available in dealerships, or?
This is already available.
Okay.
Absolutely, and they're selling fast.
Oh, great to hear.
Yep.
Fantastic, thank you.
For more information about their bikes or to become a KTM or Husqvarna dealer, head to ktm.com and husqvarna-motorcycles.com, respectively. And as always, like, subscribe, and stay tuned to MPN for more of the latest and greatest in motorcycle and powersports news.